Turkish Republic authorities announced new regulations for entering the country. Starting from 15 March 2021, passengers on flights to Turkey will have to fill entrance form. This form should be filled 72 hours before the arrival in Turkey. You don't need to fill this form if you have a transit flight. To fill the form, go to Google and type Register.Health.Gov.Tr. Choose your language and fill the form. Choose address and phone details of your accommodation. If your hotel is in Taksim, Kabataş, or Karaköy area, then you need to choose Beyoğlu as district when you fill the health register form. If it's in Sultanahmet, Beyazıt, Sirkeci, or Eminönü area, you need to enter Fatih as district when you fill the form. Click on Add Address. Choose the last visited country. If there isn't any, choose your own country. Check your information and click Save. System assigned you a HES code, which you will be using during your visit to Turkey. You will need to provide this code when you enter to restaurants, museums, and use public transportation. You can take screenshots of QR code for fast pay. They can check it faster with code reader. You can save the form on a mobile device or download a hard copy to show to the airline personnel at the check-in counter at the airport of departure. Please note that the boarding will be refused without entrance form to Turkey. I also remind you that a negative PCR test result is required to enter to Republic of Turkey until 15 of April 2021. Tourists without a negative PCR test result will also be refused to check into a flight to Turkey. You also need to connect Istanbul card to HES code in order to use public transportation in Istanbul. You can check this video about how to match HES code with Istanbul. Thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe and share it if you find it useful. Until we see you again in the next video, stay safe and stay healthy.